Le Beccherie restaurant on Piazza Sant'Andrea in Treviso, Italy, autumn 1972. The owner, Ada Campiol, has just finished giving birth to her second child and is exhausted. Her pastry chef, Roberto Linguinato, wants to make her something energizing to eat, something with espresso to wake her up and mascarpone to comfort her. He whips egg yolks and sugar into a pale yellow sabayon mousse, folds in cold mascarpone, separately whips egg whites to stiff peaks, and folds them in too. He dips Italian Savoiardi ladyfingers very quickly into cool espresso, just 1 second per side, never longer, and layers them with the cream in a glass pavé dish. He dusts the top with unsweetened cocoa powder through a fine sieve. He hands Ada the spoon. She tastes it. She names it tiramisu, literally tiramisu in the local Venetian dialect, meaning pick me up. Tonight we make the original 1972 Treviso recipe, gram by gram, second by second.
Oh strega, Anna, ciao, I tell you the story of tiramisù. È la verità, the pure truth. In 1972, le Beccherie restaurant in Treviso. My grandfather know Roberto Linguanotto personali. Treviso is small city, only 85,000 people. All the pasticcere know each other. Roberto invent tiramisù as energy food for new mother Ada Campeol. Originally call it tiramisu in Venetian dialect, literally pick me up, because of the caffeine from espresso and protein from mascarpone and uova. Madonna, the original recipe, no alcohol, è importante. Modern recipe with marsala or rum or brandy is sacrilegio, not authentic Treviso. And no whipped cream. Egg white whipped to stiff peak is the authentic Treviso method, gives a light, airy texture without heaviness of cream. In 2017, Italian Ministry of Agriculture officially recognized Treviso as the origin and
Allora, Luca, but I must be the historian and tell you the contested origin debate. Ecco, the rival claim come from Tolmezzo in Friuli Venezia Giulia region, where chef Norma Pielli at Albergo Roma claimed to invent tiramisu as early as 1951, 21 years before Treviso. There is also Pieri's claim, the Vetturino restaurant, also 51. But the critical historical investigation by food historian Giuseppe Maffioli published in Vin Venezia magazine 1981 and the official Italian Ministry recognition 2017 both confirm the Treviso Le Beccherie 1972 version as the true original. I personally interviewed Signora Ada Campiol before she passed away in October 2021 at age 95. She confirmed to me directly the 1972 date, the post-childbirth origin, and the original no alcohol, no whipped cream recipe. È storia documentata, ecco.
Sì, Federica. Now the ingredient for 6 perfect portion, 6 servings. Listen carefully. 500 gram cold mascarpone, 500 gram must be authentic Italian mascarpone, Galbani or Santa Lucia brand. Never substitute with cream cheese, è blasfemia. Refrigerated until use, mascarpone must be cold and firm. 4 tuorli d'uovo, 4 large fresh egg yolk, approximately 70 gram. 4 chiare d'uovo, 4 large fresh egg white, approximately 120 gram. 100 gram zucca, 100 gram of fine castor sugar, split into 2 equal portions of 50 gram each, 1 for the yolks, 1 for the whites. 300 millilitri caffè espresso fresco, 300 milliliter fresh brewed espresso, must be cool to room temperature, absolutely not hot, è critico. Hot espresso melt the mascarpone and ruin the structure. 24 Savoiardi biscuit, Italian Vicenzovo brand is traditional, polvere di cacao amaro, unsweetened cocoa powder for dusting. Solo questo, that is everything. Madonna che semplicità.
And Luca will now show you the technique that separates the authentic Treviso method from the amateur version, Allora. First, separate the 4 egg cleanly into 2 clean dry bowl. The egg should be cold from refrigerator, easier to separate. In the stand mixer with whisk attachment, beat the 4 yolks with 50 gram of the sugar on high speed for exactly 8 minutes, non-negotiable, until the sabayon is pale yellow, tripled in volume, and forms a soft ribbon that holds its shape for 3 seconds when the whisk is lifted. This is sabayon method, the technical foundation. Now add the cold mascarpone into the sabayon and beat on low speed for only 1 minute until just incorporated. Overmixing make mascarpone broken and grainy. A disastro. Set aside. In a separate, absolutely clean and dry bowl, wisp the 4 egg whites with the other 50 grams of sugar to stiff peaks. Peaks that stand up when the whisk is lifted, about 4 minutes on high. Gently fold the whipped whites into the mascarpone mixture in 3 stages, from bottom up, keeping the airy volume. A momento delicato.
Sì, now the assembly. Madonna, è critico. Listen. Brew 300 ml, 300 ml, fresh espresso. Pour into a shallow ceramic dish. Wait until it cools to room temperature, 20 degrees Celsius, 68 Fahrenheit. Espresso must be room temperature, never hot. Hot espresso melt mascarpone, dish become disaster. Now take Savoiardi biscuit and dip in espresso for exactly 1 second per side, 1 secondo per lato. Count it like the Italians. 1, 2. That's it, no longer. Savoiardi must remain firm structurally, not soggy. Place each dipped Savoiardi into a clean rectangular glass pavé dish, 25 cm by 15 cm, in a precise row covering the entire bottom, about 12 Savoiardi for first layer. Spread half of the mascarpone cream over Savoiardi in even layer. Repeat, another 12 Savoiardi quick dip to
Now, the most important step that 95% of home cooks keep, Allora. Refrigerate the covered pavé dish at exactly 4 degrees Celsius, 40 Fahrenheit, for minimum 12 hours, le Beccherie standard, ideally for 24 hours. Why? 3 critical things happen during refrigeration. Numero 1. The Savoiardi continue to slowly absorb the cool espresso and become moist throughout but not soggy, perfectly tender. Numero 2. The sabayon and mascarpone and egg white cream stabilize. The fat crystallize. The egg protein set. The structure firms enough to hold its shape when you cut. Numero 3. The flavor marry together. The espresso bitterness mellow. The mascarpone richness balance. The sweet egg cream open up. Skip this step and you have flat-tasting soggy mess. 12-hour minimum, 20.
Ecco, the serving. Take the pavé dish straight from refrigerator. Take fine mesh sifter, fill with 2 tablespoons of unsweetened Dutch processed cocoa powder. Gently tap over the top of the tiramisu to create generous even snow of cocoa covering completely. Beautiful chocolate brown coating. To serve, use clean square offset spatula or large spoon. Scoop a generous portion straight down through all the layers. The cross-section should show the beautiful alternating stratification of espresso dark Savoiardi and pale cream mascarpone layers, topped with the dark cocoa. Plate on small white porcelain dessert plate. Optional, fresh espresso on the side. Small glass of sweet
Well, get this. 3 takeaways. First, the authentic Treviso recipe. For 6 servings, 500 grams cold mascarpone, 4 egg yolks plus 4 egg whites, 100 grams castor sugar split 50-50 for yolks and whites, 300 milliliters cool room temperature espresso, 24 Italian Vincenzo Savoiardi ladyfingers, and unsweetened cocoa powder for dusting. The original 1972 La Beccherie version has no alcohol and no whipped cream. Adding either is not traditional Treviso. Second, the technique. Beat yolks with 50 grams sugar 8 minutes on high to pale tripled volume ribbon stage sabayon. Fold in mascarpone on low 1 minute. In a separate clean dry bowl, whip whites with 50 grams sugar to stiff peaks. Fold whites in 3 stages bottom up. Dip Savoiardi in cool 20 Celsius espresso for exactly 1 second per side, never longer or they get soggy. Layer in pavé dish. Savoiardi half the cream, Savoiardi rest of the cream. Third, refrigerate covered at 4 Celsius for at least 12 hours, ideally 24. Dust cocoa through a fine sieve just before serving. Serve cold straight from the fridge with optional Fin Santo dessert wine. Thank you, Luca DeMarchi. Thank you, Federica Conti. Until next time.